So here is my helmet and boots dryer. I made out of PVC piping and some scrap metal. I have a regular bathroom vent fan in the back. It blows fresh air into the boots and into the helmet. Helmet goes up in here. I have it rested right now on the table, but obviously this is sitting on the floor. You can you have two separate pipes going into the boots. You can move this forward like this to stick it inside stick it inside your boot, and you could feel the air coming out of it. So yeah, very simple. I just used like a hardware that you get for PVC piping and a regular clamp to clamp on the fan. I think the whole thing cost me a few dollars. So here it is. It's really cool. It works. It's cheap.